Hello dear student, I am Munagar Vimal and welcome to my channel. Here we are going to study mathematics of standard 10th. Here we study chapter number 2 polynomials and uh, part number 2. In part number 1 we have studied about polynomials, what is variable, and addition, multiplication, subtraction and division of polynomial, and also we have studied rules of sign of polynomial. Then how can we extract, subtract, uh, add or multiply terms. So in this lecture we are going to study factorization of polynomial. In factorization of polynomial we are going to study method number 1, that extracting common factors from polynomial. So here our method number 1, extracting common factors from polynomial, that is, how can we extract common factor from polynomial. So if we have given polynomial, then we first see that how many common factors can we extract. So in polynomial, if we find any common term or group of terms, then we extract it from group of terms and put it in a bracket. So if in given polynomial, if we find any common term or group of term, then we extract it and put it uh, uh, in a bracket. So let we understand it by uh, example. Here first example is 8x plus 12. So in this polynomial we factor each term and then we find common factor from it. So we factor 8x as 4 2 ja is equal to 8, and we factor it as 4 into 2. Now about second term 12, we have factored it as 4 into 3. So now you can see that here in both term 4 is common factor. 4 is common factor. Then we extract 4 from both the terms. So if we extract 4 from both the term, then if we extract 4 from first term 8x, then remaining part is 2x, and if we extract 4 from 12, then remaining part is 3. So the remaining part of given polynomial after extracting 4 from both the term is 2x plus 3, and we put it in bracket. So this is method for extracting common factor from polynomial. Now second is 35x cube minus 42xy. So we factor both the term as 35 is equal to 5 into 7, and you can write x cube as x into x into x as you studied, and for 42 you can write or factor 42 as 2 into 3 into 7, and xy as x into y. Now you can see that in both the terms 7 and x 7 and x is common factor in both the terms. So we extract 7x from both term and we put remaining terms in bracket, as here we have extract 7x as a common factor. Now the remaining part from both the terms, if we extract 7x, then remaining part is 5 and x square in first term. So here we put in bracket 5x square. Here minus sign, then we put here minus sign, and remaining part from 42xy is 6y after extracting 7x. So here we extract 7x from above uh, polynomial, and then remaining part is 5x square minus 6y. Let me understand by more examples. Here given two examples. Now third one is 6x cube plus 60x square plus 150x. Now we factor each term and then find we common factor from it. Now here for first term 6x cube we can write as 2 into 3 into x into x. For 60x square we factor it as 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into x into x. And for 150x we can write it as 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into x. So now we will find common factor from each term. So here you can see that 2 and 3 are common. 2 and 3 are common in each term. And also you can see that x from each factorization, x from each factorization is common. So here you can find 2 into 3 into x is common, that we can write it as 6x. That we can write is 6x. 2 3s are 6 into x. So here we can find 6x common in each term. So we extract 6x from each term. So first we extract from first term, then if we extract 6x from first term, then remaining part is x square. So here we put here x square. From second term, if we extract 6x, then remaining part is 2 5s are 10 into x. So here we put here 10x. And we extract 6x from 150x, then remaining part is 5 5 5s are 15 25. So here we put here 25. So if we extract 6x from above polynomial, then remaining part is x square plus 10x plus 25, and we have put it in a bracket. So now uh, example number 4, 14 b square c square minus 21 b square c plus 28 b cube c cube. Now as we done in previous example, we also do it as here. Now we factor first term 14 b square c square as 2 into 7 b into b into c into c. And we factor 21 b square c as 3 into 7 into b into b into c. And 28 as b cube c cube as 2 into 2 into 7 into b into b into c into c. So we find common factor from each term. So you can see that 7 is common in each term. 7 is common in each term. So first we extract 7 from each term, and after then you can see that b square and b square is also common in each term. And also you can find that c is also a common factor from each term. So here we can find 7 b square c common factor in each term. So uh, here we extract 7 b square c from each term, then remaining part is 2c minus 3 plus 4bc square. So now more example. Here you can see that in this polynomial there are more than 3 terms. Then how can we find the common factor from each of the term? In first in a previous example you can find a common factor uh, easily, but here you can see that some factors are not given as common factor in each term. So how can we find a common factor from each term? So first we arrange it as that we can find common factor from each term. So here we put it in some group. So in example number 5, here I we put 4 plus 1 plus 4y in one group and plus 4y square plus 16y cube in an second group. So here we extract the common factor from both group. So in first group 4 1 plus 4y, here we cannot find any common factor. So if we can put 1 as common factor and remaining part is 1 plus 4y. Now about the second term. So here you can see that in second term first sign is plus. So we always put here plus sign as given above. Now we try to find common factor from both example. Now you can find 4y square 4y square from both the group both the term. So we extract 4y square from both term, then remaining part is 1 plus 4y. Here if we extract all term, if we extract all term from term, then remaining part is 1, not 0. We should see that or not that if we extract whole term from the given term, then remaining part is 1, not 0. So here we put 1 plus if we extract from 16y cube, then remaining part is 4y. So here we can find two group of terms, 1 into 1 plus 4y plus 4y square into 1 plus 4y. So now you can see that in both terms you can find two common bracket, 1 plus 4y and 1 plus 4y. So we extract 1 plus 4y from both terms. So we if we extract 1 plus 4y from both terms, then remaining part is 1 plus 4y square, as we can see here. So we will put it in another bracket. So it is a factorization of polynomial. Now second example 6. Here given example 3x square minus 35y minus 7x plus 15xy. Now we will arrange it as we can find common factor from each of the terms. So as we done in example number 5, we arrange it as uh, we can find common factor from group. So here we put 3x square plus 15xy, that we can find common factor from both term, and remaining part minus 7x minus 35y. So we can find common factor from both the terms. Now in first group of term, we can find 3x common factor from both term. Then we extract 3x from both term, and then remaining part is x plus 5y. And then for second group, here you must see the sign of first term. Here you can see that the given sign is minus. The given sign is minus. If we here given sign is plus, then we not change any sign. But if here first term has negative sign, then we have to see the sign of another term. If so, as we done here, we put it as minus sign, and now we extract 7 from both the term. Then we here put minus 7. Now in bracket, the remaining part from 7x is x, as we as I said that we change every sign of the term as we extract minus sign. So minus 7, then we extract minus 7 from bottom, then remaining part is x. Here given minus 35y, then we change the sign of minus 35y as plus and put 5y. So now you can see in both term there is x plus 5y is common bracket. So we extract common x plus 5y, and we the remaining part we put in another bracket. So first we extract x plus 5y from both the terms. Now the remaining part in first term is 3x and minus 7, which we put in another bracket. So it was about factorization of polynomial, and method number 1, extracting common factor from polynomial. Now here given some example for your self practice, so try it at your home.